Welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Face, and today's video I'm sharing with you how I am going to decorate the office tree for Valentine's. Now I am using basically the little heart-shaped and round ornaments that I purchased from, I think, Michael's and maybe Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. But I'm going to show you how to put your own spin on your tree just by using just some random things. I'm using the ornaments. I am going to use some of these little heart-shaped wreaths or hanging ornaments that I purchased also from Michael's. These are really, really cute. I like these a lot because they have that glimmer, that elegant look. So guys, I welcome you here. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a little drink. Earlier, I picked up some coffee from McDonald's, and this is going to be my drink of choice as I put this together. Drop down in the comment section, let me know what you're drinking on or snacking on. And let's go ahead and finish decorating this tree. This color combo here I really like. Aren't these really, really cute? Cute ornaments. So guys, I am still working on the tree. As you can see, it's a different day as my attire has changed, which happens a lot when I'm here at the office trying to get something done. I may get busy and have to stop. So I started it on Friday. Today is Monday. I'm back. I'm going to try to finish today. As you can see, I've added in some of the little hearts at the top. I purchased some heart-shaped balloons from the Dollar Tree, and I've added these at the top for my topper. What I'm going to do next is I am going to go in with some of the smaller ornaments here. Some are heart-shaped. I'm going to go in with these because I can't get to the very back. So I'm going to stagger all of these in the middle so that it will look like a lot fuller and it looks like it's covered with the ornaments in the back. So I'm going to keep doing all that I can do on today. Hopefully I can get this finished and share with you guys the reveal of my Valentine's tree. So keep watching, I'll keep working. I may have to stop, but we'll keep working. Hooks to these small ornaments, and then I'm going to just go in and let them hang from the center. I'm gonna go ahead and stop you guys because the chime from the alarm keeps going off and it's so annoying. So I'm going to stop and then I'll come back and share with you guys what I'm doing. But all I'm doing now is just adding in those few little tiny ornaments throughout the center.
So earlier when I mentioned adding random things or just things that you want to place in your tree, as you can see for my topper, I used the balloons from the Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to go in with a few bushes of florals that I picked up from, I think Michael's. They had them at half off. So I'm just going to go in and add these into the tree, and then we'll stand back and take a look and see what else we need to do. So guys, I'm going to speed this up just a little bit, but I will come back and share with you the reveal. I'm trying to give that curved look with the florals into the tree.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you.
Now guys, for those of you that know me, know that I could not just decorate this tree. This tree is absolutely beautiful, and I cannot just have it sitting here with the rest of the space looking bare. So I am going to add a little whimsical flair to it by adding these 3D heart shapes. Valentine's here. I am using the fisherman's line to hang these with a push pin. I'm going to add these to the ceiling and create somewhat of a very whimsical vibe here in this office space. Guys, I'm telling you, this tree is so beautiful. So I'm going to keep working, and I hope, I feel that you guys are going to love this space as I do, and hopefully it will inspire you to do a little something around your office space. So keep watching, guys, and I'm just going to keep working because why? I love what I do it for you, and I hope you will appreciate it too.
I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire. Every moment led me to something, but I never could get higher. I was thinking one day maybe it happened. I believe in the magic, but fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be. More freedom, a little less lonely. And love me, and love me. I can be funny, I can be lovely, I can be what you dream of. But I've been patient and I'm sick of waiting. Maybe I just won't find love. Every time I think I met the right guy, then it turns into ashes.
So here are just some of the items that I found around the home. I decided to bring them here at the office and see if I can spruce this space up just a bit more.
Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can.
So guys, these are the floating heart wreaths. If you have not seen that video, I will link it in the iCards above. It will show you how to create these by using something we all may have in our closets or that you may have picked up from the dry cleaners. Yes, it's a clothes hanger that I've used to create the form of the heart, and then I've added the heart-shaped tinsel garland that I picked up, I think, from maybe the Dollar Tree.
Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be.
So here, guys, for the office reveal, I'm going to start here with the tree, and as you can see, and I shared before, I use these Valentine's heart-shaped balloons that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I used 5 of them, and I've created them as my topper. Went in and added this bow, this ribbon that I had from Christmas, added in some of these heart-shaped stands that I've had for a couple of years that I purchased from Michael's at the end of season. These are some of my ornaments, little rose stems here, and use these floral bushes to create this design here on the front of the tree. Added in a few of those conversation ornaments. And this is my lighted tree, and guys, this may be the last year that I use this tree. It is just it's time for another one, but I'm using it here, and I may go ahead and use it for
my Easter tree, but yeah, it's time for a new tree, but I'm loving the way that this looks here for the Valentines. Sorry for all of the background noise. My office is out next to main road, but please focus and enjoy the beauty of this space. These are those 3D heart shapes, but here are those floating hearts that I've created here by using the wired clothes hanger method, and added in just some of the ribbon here for this space here. Old lamp that I had at home, I just decided to bring it here and place it on the table. These are some more of those heart-shaped wreaths that I purchased from Michael's a while back, and you know, part of my stash. But just showing you how you can create a little gift for someone. You could actually have your little mug here. These are some little heart-shaped coasters, and this large wreath here, it's actually two together. I've got them crossed together. You could actually put them in a large bag and put a bow on it. Be real cute. Then here is another little mug that you could add like a scarf and a little plush toy here. Here's a little balloon. You could probably cut that down and add it in the back as this same tinsel garland, and added it across the top that you can see there with those trees that I had left over from Christmas. Just strung that across the top there. Over here I decided to add the vase and those little heart shapes and the bouquet of red roses in that vase there. It's another couple things that I brought from home. So this is the office space